Hello, in today's video, I'm revealing what really happens when you drink celery juice every morning. There are so many foods that create healing effects on the body, and celery is definitely one of them. Now, when drinking celery juice, you really shouldn't take the one-size-fits-all approach. You really need to drink the correct measurements for common illnesses or ailments versus your more chronic illnesses. So stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll give you the correct drinking measurements. Now, let's get into it.
Stress. Stress and the adrenal glands go hand in hand. Celery juice helps stabilizes and supports the adrenal glands, which in turn helps battle stress. Anxiety. Celery juice contains important mineral salts important for your body's central nervous system. It has healing qualities for those who struggle from anxiety, depression, ADHD, OCD and more. The electrolytes in celery keep you hydrated, also helping reduce your chances of panic attacks and migraines. Soreness. We all experience soreness in certain areas of our bodies. Whether you slept wrong, or standing on your feet all day. Celery has a reasonable amount of potassium, a nutrient that helps prevent muscle cramping, and it also has a nutrient in it that helps soothe sore muscles. Asthma and bronchitis. Celery juice contains potent flavonoids that aid in treating respiratory ailments, such as asthma and bronchitis. Decreases inflammation. Celery juice contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation in your body. It's also hydrating and low in sugar, making it a great alternative to sugary beverages. Constipation. Due to the abundant fiber present in celery juice, this makes it a great option to help relieve constipation. Enhances memory. Celery contains antioxidants and minerals that kickstarts your brain and enhances your memory. Detoxify your skin. Celery juice is one of the best detox drinks you could ask for. It is refreshing and alkalizing. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties in celery juice rid the body of toxins. When your body is free of toxins, it reflects on your skin. Acne. The presence of anti-inflammatory agents, along with certain vitamins and minerals, can assist with clearing acne, blemishes and pimples. Hydrate skin. Those fine lines and wrinkles are magnified when you're dehydrated. Celery juice is rich in nourishing components and water. It revitalizes dull skin and increases hydration.
As promised, let's get into the ways to consume your celery juice.
Drinking fresh celery juice on an empty stomach is beneficial because it helps you detoxify your body and provides you with essential nutrients to reduce ailments. Drink 16 ounces of celery juice to relieve common ailments we just reviewed. Make sure it's fresh, plain celery juice with no other ingredients. Now, if you find the taste of straight celery juice too strong, you can juice 1 cucumber and/or 1 apple with the celery. This is a great option as you get adjusted to the flavor. As you get used to it, keep increasing the ratio of celery. I believe the greatest benefits come when celery juice is consumed on its own. Celery juice also helps with chronic illnesses, such as rheumatoid arthritis, eczema, psoriasis, just to name a few. For your more chronic illnesses, you will want to increase your celery juice intake to 24 to 32 ounces a day on an empty stomach. And remember to always consult a physician.
If you're interested in discovering more about the how-tos of maintaining a healthy and thriving lifestyle, click the link in the description box titled The Mindset Shift from Hopeless to Healthy. Subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you take the guesswork out of living a healthy lifestyle, and so much more. I will see you in the next video. Bye.